Chapter 4. Planning and creating your website. A website is a collection of related web pages including multimedia content, typically identified with a common domain name and published on at least one web server. A site is created with the special purpose of providing information on a specific topic of interest. Planning a website. 1. Decide the purpose of the website. 2. Collect and enter data. 3. Classify the information into groups and subgroups. 4. Plan the structure of the website for example, homepage, subpages. 5. Plan the structure of the web pages. Suppose you wish to create a website displaying computer parts information and want to publish it on the internet. Step 1. Purpose of the website: to display information regarding the computer parts. Step 2. Entering the various computer parts, names, details, pictures, etc. Step 3. Grouping and subgrouping of the data into information, as shown. Computer parts website group subgroup. Computer parts hardware and software. Hardware external and internal hardware. Software system software and application software. Memory internal and external memory. Step 4. Planning the structure of the website. Web pages can be classified into two types, namely, first, home page. This is the main page of a website. It is the first web page that appears when you visit any website. 2. Linked web pages. These are the pages that are linked to the home page. Normally, all the information is displayed on the home page itself, but at times extra information needs to be presented. To give an orderly appearance, you may decide to create a separate web page for this extra information and then link this page to the home page. Step 5. Planning structure of the web pages. A web page needs to be carefully planned so that the user finds the information pleasing to the eye and easy to read. Formatting includes selecting a suitable background color or a background image, assigning a font size, aligning the text and appropriate spacing. This is made possible with the help of the Format menu in the Word application, which has various formatting tools such as themes, style, bullets, and numbering. Creating a web page. You can use Microsoft Word to create your web pages. To do this, 1. Click on the Start button in Start menu, select Word 2016, click on Blank Document. 2. Click on Web Layout in View bar, which is at the bottom of the page. Computer parts. Website hardware. Software memory hardware. Computer hardware includes the physical parts or components of a computer. There are two types of hardware: internal hardware, external hardware. Internal hardware. Internal hardware of a computer. 2. Processor. 3. Main memory. External hardware. External hardware devices include monitors, keyboards, mouse, printers. Software is a generic term that refers to a collection of data or computer instructions that tell the computer how to work, in contrast to the physical hardware from which the system is built, that actually performs the work. There are also two types of software: system software, application software. System software refers to the files and programs that make up your computer's operating system. Application software. An application is any program or group of programs that is designed for the end user. Memory. Computer memory is any physical device capable of storing information temporarily or permanently. For example, random access memory (RAM) is a volatile memory that stores information on an integrated circuit used by the operating system, software, and hardware. Themes. A theme is a set of formatting choices that can be applied to an entire document and includes theme colors, fonts, effects, and other web page elements to improve the look of the web page. Click on the Design tab, select Theme in Document Formatting group, click the theme you want. Note, you can change the font style and color of the text and heading. You can create your own theme and save it as a default. Setting font. If you want to change the font style of a selected theme, then select Home tab, Font group, select different font style as well as font size, color, etc. Select the other options like bold, italic, underline it, etc. and click on OK to apply the effect. If the default button is clicked, it means the selected font size, etc. has been set for the active web page as well as any new web pages, which shall be subsequently created. If the default button is not clicked, the selected font size, etc. is set only for the active web page. Style. A style is a set of formatting characteristics that you can apply to the text on your web page. Its appearance can be changed instantly. When you apply a style, you apply a whole group of formats in one simple task. For example, you may want to format the heading Computer Parts website to make it stand out and eye-catching. Instead of taking 3 separate steps to format the heading as 24 pt, Arial, and center aligned, you can achieve the same result in one step by applying the title style heading 1. By default, there are some predefined headings with different font sizes and styles. To apply style, 1. Select the text. 2. Click on the Home tab, Style Group. 3. Select a style from the Style dialog box or click Design tab, Document Formatting. You can select from the different styles available there. Set page color. If you want to set a background in a web page, you have the option of Set a Background Color. 1. Select Design tab, Page Background Group, Page Color. 2. Click on Page Color and choose any color for your background. When you click on Fill Effect option, you can select from different gradients, textures, patterns and pictures to put in your web page background. Inserting a bullet. 1. Select the text you want bulleted. 2. Home tab, Paragraph Group, Bullets button. Adding a horizontal line. 1. Click on the place where you wish to insert a line. 2. Click on the Design tab, Page Background Group, click on Page Border, click on Border tab. 3. In preview you have the option of selecting where you want a line. 4. Click on OK to apply line in your page. Saving your work. Click on the File tab, Save, type the file name with .html extension and select Web Page from the All Type menu. Note: it is compulsory to save your document with .html extension because it converts your document as web page. Web page preview. When you save your page as a web page, your document will be saved with icon. Double-click on it. Your web page will open in a web browser.